This is our MR3.5 mobile scissor lift. This is one of the most versatile lifts on the market today and plugs straight into a standard 240 volt socket. It's ideal for any workshop, home garage or hobbyist. With a lifting capacity of 3.5 tonne and its compact design, you can fit this lift into the smallest of spaces. It comes with a mobile kit and enclosed control cabinet which is on casters, making it easy to move around your workshop. Let me show you how it works. Also, if you need a bit of extra length on the platform, the run-up ramps become your platform extensions. Look how easy it is to use. You can even use the platform extensions to lift the vehicle. Now let me show you how easy it is to move around. First of all, we just need to fit the casters. Now we need to drop it to the floor. All you need to do is slot the handle in, which allows you now to lift up and move it wherever you need to. As you can see, this is a very versatile lift and great value for money.